Hey guys, welcome to Tech Team channel. Hope you're doing well. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can kick a bot from your Discord server. So in this case, you have to log into your account first, then choose the server you want to delete or remove the bot. Then you can see here all of your bots here. Okay, you'll find here bots. If you click on this member list, here you can find bots. Okay, in every server you'll find bots. So in this server I'm choosing one server, and then I will choose one bot to be kicked out. So I'm choosing this good bot to be kicked out. So how you can do this, put your cursor on and right click of your mouse, and you'll find here option kick bot. Okay, that bot name good bot. Goodbye good bot. Click on this and give a reason why you are kicking this bot out. Then you can just kick out. You can see that Goodbot has gone. So yeah, we'll miss you, Goodbot. So guys, if you find this video helpful, then please give a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe the channel. Thank you so much for watching the video.